guys, this is D.santoshi studying B.Pharmacy second year in Maharaja's College of Pharmacy, and I am here to present a small topic, staining techniques. Staining is a procedure which is used to identify the different types of bacteria, and techniques are of two types, that is a simple staining and differential staining. In simple staining, a single stain is used, but in differential staining, two types of stains are used. Differential staining is of two types, that is the gram staining and acid-fast staining. In gram staining used to identify the two types of bacteria, that is the gram positive and gram negative bacteria, and acid-fast staining is used to differentiate acid-fast and non-acid-fast bacteria. And now I am discussed about the gram staining. Gram staining is under the category of the differential staining, and which is used to identify the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The reagents which are used in the gram staining are the crystal violet, which is acting as a primary stain, and the gram cyanide, which is acting as a mordant, and ethyl alcohol, which is acting as a decolorizing agent, and the saffron, which is acting as a counter stain. The procedure involved in the gram staining is we have to take a clean grease-free slide, and that we have to prepare a smear with the help of the inoculation loop, and after that heat fix the slide, and after that we have add a crystal violet to the smear we prepared, and then left it for 1 to 2 minutes. After that clean the slide with the water, and after we have add the gram set, which is forms the complex with the magnesium ribonucleotide, and it fix on the gram positive bacteria, and after that it will wash with the water, and we have to add the ethyl alcohol, which is acting as a decolorizing agent, which decolorizes the gram negative bacteria and doesn't decolorize the gram positive bacteria, because the gram positive bacteria contains a thick peptidoglycan layer and the gram negative bacteria contains a thin peptidoglycan layer. And after that we have to clean the slide with the water, and then a saffron is added, which is acting as a counter stain, and it gives the red or pink color to the gram negative bacteria. And after it is identified in the under the microscope. In this slide we have to observe the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. First we have taken the two types of bacteria, and they are undergoes heat fixation, and then we have to subject it to the crystal violet stain. Crystal violet stain is retains on both the gram positive and gram negative bacteria, and it gives deep blue violet color to both types of bacteria. And after that we have add the mordant, which is the grams iodine. It gives the violet color to the both the bacteria, and then we have to add the ethyl alcohol, which is acting as a decolorizer, and it decolorizes the gram negative bacteria, and the gram positive bacteria retains the same color. After saffron is added, which is gives the red color to the gram negative bacteria. Coming to the acid-fast staining. Acid-fast staining is a type of differential staining which is used to identify the acid-fast and non-acid-fast bacteria. The reagents which are used in the acid-fast staining are the carbol fusin, which is acting as a primary stain, methyl alcohol, which is acting as a decolorizing agent, and the methylene blue is acting as a counter stain. The procedure involved in the acid-fast staining is take the clean grease-free slide, and on that we have to prepare a smear with the help of the inoculation loop, and after that the carbol fusin, which is the primary stain, which is adding onto the slide, and left it for the 2 to 3 minutes. After that it is cleaned with the water, and then add the ethyl alcohol. It is acting as a decolorizer, and then it is washed with the water, and then we have to add the counter stain, which is the methylene blue. It gives the blue color to the acid-fast bacteria, acid-fast negative bacteria, and the acid-fast bacteria will retain the same color. Thank you.